both Honolulu and Kauai were, the people there were very welcoming and very accommodating. I was surprised that so many of our Kailian live in both Honolulu and Kauai. So many people, taga, not just Ilocos Norte, but specifically Laoag, were there. And the welcome was very good, very warm. And I received maraming gifts. So I have big parcels that will be coming back here.
For us?
The different organizations.
For us.
We met all the different organizations. We met maraming organizations. Okay. Please understand that we will eventually do a complete presentation of what took place in Hawaii. Okay, we're already preparing all of that. But please understand, this is what I will say. When we were in Kauai, I met with Mayor Kawakami, and the mayor and I talked about the fact that in Kauai has the largest amount of solar farms,
Solar.
buong, not just Honolulu, but they're even saying buong United States. Okay? And because of this, please be aware that the Aboitiz family is going to put up a solar farm dito sa Laoag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Zoom meetings with the representatives of the cooperative in Kauai, because the manner in which they're handling solar energy there, we can learn from them. Okay, so they're actually sister cooperatives from Kauai and Ilocos Norte. And even one of the members of the Kauai cooperative for alternative energy is Tagalawag. So what we're going to do is we will work with Kauai in order to learn how they handle solar energy. Okay, that's one. Number two, I was talking to Mayor Blanjadi of Honolulu, and together with Tommy Waters, who is the chairman of the council in Honolulu, plus Mayor Kawakami in Kauai. And what was very interesting is that when we attended the West Philippine Sea presentation at MMSU, I was talking to Shirley Agrupis, who, as you all know, is being elevated to CHED. Okay? But she was saying that she went to Hawaii recently, and she came back and she was saying that the University of Hawaii is going to have classes in which they're going to teach Ilocano Kultura, okay, which surprised her, okay? And what we're thinking of doing, with the support of both the city councils of Honolulu and Kauai, is to create scholarship programs in which people here can avail scholarships to go to the University of Hawaii and to study Ilocano Kultura in Hawaii. So we're putting all this together because people are saying, what's the point in having a sisterhood agreement with Hawaii and Kauai if you don't use it? So this is what we're doing. So we're working on those two things. So we're talking about energy and education. So it's good. And really, I was very surprised by the welcome. I was very surprised by all of our Kailian that were there. We were treated very well. And the reception of both the Honolulu Council and the Kauai Council was very good. And they are really looking forward to having some form of bilateral communication with Laoag City.